This isn't just a Cadillac. It's the last breath of American luxury power before everything changed forever. Black paint under dim showroom light. The door opens with a slow, weighted confidence, like it knows it still matters. Inside, the scent of ebony leather and old-world Cadillac prestige fills the air. This is the 1999 Cadillac Eldorado, a machine built not to shout but to command silence. Under the hood sits the heart of it all, the 4.6-liter Northstar V8, a motor that defined Cadillac's ambition in the late 90s. Smooth, powerful, and unapologetically refined. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and front transaxle layout, it delivers power in a way that feels effortless, almost surgical. No drama, just glide and surge. Turn the key and it doesn't roar like a muscle car. It breathes to life like something expensive. The idle is steady, controlled, almost dignified. This isn't built for chaos. It's built for dominance and silence. On the road, the FE3 Sport suspension changes the personality of the Eldorado. It tightens the float. It gives structure to the glide. You feel the road, but it never punishes you for it. It's Cadillac's answer to those who wanted luxury but refused to give up control. Corners come and go with surprising confidence for a front-wheel drive Grand Coupe of its size. The power steering is light at low speed, effortless in parking lots, but firms up just enough at speed to remind you that this car has intent. The front and rear anti-lock disc brakes step in with calm authority, pulling the coupe down smoothly, without harshness, without panic. Everything about this car is calculated comfort. Step outside and the design still holds presence. The black exterior absorbs light, giving the Eldorado a low, cinematic stance. Chrome accents outline its body like jewelry, subtle but intentional. The 16-inch aluminum chrome deluxe wheels complete the look. Factory elegance with just enough shine to catch attention without begging for it. This is not a flashy car, it's a composed one. Open the door again and the interior pulls you into another world. Ebony leather seats, power adjustable, heated, shaped for long-distance comfort rather than aggressive posture. This is where Cadillac made its statement. Comfort is not optional, it is the foundation. The cabin is layered with late 90s luxury tech. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all expected, all refined. The telescopic and tilt steering wheel adjusts with ease, setting the driver in a position of command. Cruise control waits patiently for highway miles, where this car truly belongs. The climate system is pure American comfort engineering. Heat, air conditioning, defrost, and rear defogger all working together to erase weather from your concern list. Outside conditions don't matter here. Inside, everything is controlled. The audio system, stock AM/FM with CD player, carries that nostalgic clarity of late-era analog luxury. It's not about overwhelming sound. It's about presence in the background. Music that fills space without demanding attention. Safety is built into its identity. Dual front airbags, solid structure, anti-lock braking system. This Eldorado was designed in a time when Cadillac was transitioning, bridging traditional American luxury with modern engineering expectations. But what makes this car truly cinematic is not just the specs, it's the feeling. Because driving the 1999 Eldorado is like driving a memory of what luxury used to mean in America. Long hood, short rear deck, a coupe designed for people who wanted comfort without sacrificing identity. It's a personal luxury car in the purest sense, built for highways, late-night drives, and quiet confidence. At highway speed, the Northstar V8 settles into a smooth hum. The cabin becomes a sealed world. Outside noise fades. The suspension absorbs imperfections like they don't exist. You're not rushing, you're traveling in a way that feels elevated, and that's the real character of this Cadillac. It doesn't try to compete with modern performance sedans. It doesn't chase aggressive styling trends. It exists in its own lane, where comfort, smooth power delivery, and understated presence matter more than lap times or digital dashboards. Even the dual to single exhaust setup reflects that philosophy. It's restrained, it's controlled, it lets the V8 speak but never shout. The price, $14, $995. adds another layer to the story, because what you're looking at isn't just a used luxury coupe. It's one of the final chapters of Cadillac's traditional coupe era. A time before everything became crossover-shaped and digitally overloaded. This Eldorado is a reminder of when Cadillac built cars for long roads, not short attention spans. When you sit behind the wheel, you don't feel like you're operating a machine built to impress others. You feel like you're inside something built to protect your time, your space, and your presence on the road. And as the engine idles in the background, steady and confident, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just transportation, it's a farewell letter from Cadillac, written in leather, chrome, and Northstar power.